Hi, this is April Jones again, Jones Law Firm again. Today we are talking about child support. So I just want to go over with you some of the basic questions that I get asked a lot about how child support is calculated in Colorado. The other thing we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to calculate it yourself on the Colorado Court website. So what I need you to do is go to your Google or whatever search engine you use, put in Colorado State Courts. That's the easiest way to remember. Then click on Colorado State Judicial Branch. When you get in here, you can go to Forms and Domestic Family. I want you to click on that. And they'll give you a bunch of different documents. We want to go to the Electronic Child Support Worksheet. It's an Excel document that we want to use. We don't want to use the Word or the Adobe. And click on Excel. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to have you take a look at your situation and fill in the information. So the information that counts on the child support worksheet, it's not what you think. It's about 5 things, 5 maybe 6, depending on your circumstances. The number of children that are the subject of the worksheet, so how many children you and the other person have in this case, your income, the other parent's income, whether or not you pay child care, work-related child care, or education-related child care, which would be child care for you to go to school, and health insurance, so the child's portion of health insurance. If you cover 5 people and 4 of them are children, then 4/5 of that amount could be used for the health insurance amount. So that's what we'll be doing for health insurance. The other piece would be if there were extraordinary other expenses. Training for the Olympics, we have a recurring monthly amount for our horse trainer. If there's medical expenses that are reoccurring, or if there are some other reoccurring expense that you can count on every month, you can put it in that spot. Other than that, we include the number of other children that you have or child support amounts that you pay for other children. That's it. So we're not including your car payment, your house payment, anything like that. Just the 5 or 6 things that we discussed. So let's go over here. So this is the form that you can fill in. Number of children, which parent has the children for the greater amount of time, mother or father, mother's gross income, father's gross income, any maintenance paid or received would go in here because that's part of income. The number of children that you are legally responsible for other than the ones in this worksheet. So if you put it in here, they don't go here. Then work-related child care, if any, education-related child care, if any, health insurance premium costs, if any, extraordinary medical expenses, those would be therapy or some ongoing reoccurring medical expense, or any extraordinary other expenses would go in here. You put in the amount, you hit enter, and the child support calculations tell you what you would pay. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's say there's 1 child. Now let's say there's 2 children. Okay, 2 children. Mother has the majority of time. Father has, we'll say he has 104 overnights. Mother makes $2,000 a month. Father makes $2,000 a month. And nobody pays maintenance. Father is responsible for 1 other child. Mother pays, let's say, $500 a month in child care. And father pays $200 a month for health insurance costs. So you see this number keeps changing. The court is the calculator is telling us that under these factors, father pays mother $333 a month. That would be a worksheet B. This is what it would finally look like. Okay? So that's how you can get a general idea of what child support can be. Now the thing is, the income can vary. If you have a self-employed person, if you have a person who's underemployed, if you have a person who's quit their job but they have the ability to make more money, that's called imputing income. So there are a number of factors that can make a difference in the worksheet, but this is a good place to start. Thank you.